Welcome to the Skills Simulator. We'll be practicing the car twin engine maintenance. I will guide you through each step, explaining the process and pointing to the relevant objects. Please follow along carefully, as you'll be asked to perform the procedure yourself afterward. Inspect the cylinder head for any signs of wear or damage and clean it if necessary. Examine the camshaft for wear or damage and ensure it is properly lubricated. Inspect the oil intake for blockages and ensure the oil is clean and at the correct level. Now, it's your turn to demonstrate the process.
Inspect the cylinder head. Inspect the camshaft.
You got 3 out of 8 right. The user correctly inspected the cylinder head, injector, and oil intake. However, they missed opening the engine bay, gathering tools, inspecting spark plugs, and checking crankshaft drillings.